Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to stand before you to deliver my short speech. Today, I would like to talk about the 5 major problems of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has so many problems around everywhere, in every corner of our country. So there are 5 major problems which I'm going to talk about today. The first problem that I can talk about today is unemployment. As one of my brothers already talked about it, unemployment is a great problem for every single people in our country. And we can see that many people graduate from many great universities and many great places, but still they cannot find any job or any employment because of overpopulation, which is another problem of our Bangladesh. Because of overpopulation, the boys and the people who study hard cannot get jobs, and the overpopulation is need to be uh, handled. But as we can see, day by day, Bangladesh is getting more populated, and it's not being handled well. And rather than overpopulation, corruption is another problem what we have to face in order to get jobs. Because of corruption, we cannot get good jobs. Along with good jobs, we cannot get any types of jobs. Because if we want to go and get job in any place, we have to go through some people, some shady peoples, and they would be like, "You should pay us money, so we will give you job. We will confirm your job." But some people who comes from a poor family, they cannot give enough money or offer any money to start with in order to get a job. So they have to go back to their hometowns and work like small jobs in order to keep their livings on. Rather than corruption, there are many other problems as well in Bangladesh, which are pollution and traffic jams as well. Pollutions there are so many pollutions: air pollution, sound pollution, water pollution, mud pollution, so many types of pollution. Because Bangladeshi peoples are not aware that they are harming their own country. They are not thinking about what will happen to our own country. They are thinking that I'm just doing it. It's not harming me. They are thinking that it's not harming me, but they are not thinking that if they are harming their own country, they are harming themselves. So they needs to be more cooperative with the fact that they are harming the country along with themselves. And also traffic jam. Traffic jam is a great problem for every single cities in Bangladesh. Because of traffic jam, people cannot get to their wanted places in time. Some of the students in our class, along with me, I cannot get to my class. Like most of the time, I'm late because of traffic jam. It takes like 2 hours to get here from my house. And the real reason for traffic jam is because there are not enough traffic polices and the road is broken. They don't fix the roads. They take money, but they don't fix the roads. So I think people should understand that they have to think and they have to improve it. Thank you for listening to me.